Supreme Court. And like I mentioned, the court is this morning set to rule on an application by the chairman of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, Wafula Chebukati, on his role in the result verification process. Through lawyers Paul Muita and Kamau Karori, IEBC and its chair argued that the court had stated that the National Returning Officer has an obligation of comparing results in Form 34's A and B, but at the same time, the court in the majority decision upheld the Court of Appeal decision, which stated that the results declared at the polling centres are final and cannot be altered, amended or changed at the National Tallying Centre. NASA Third-Way Alliance presidential candidate Ekuru Aukot and the Law Society of Kenya want the application dismissed.
34B do not match the actual results contained in Form 34A, either owing to arithmetical errors that were committed or wrong entries that were put in the Form 34B. If those numbers do not match, can the chairman be expected to announce the figures contained in Form 34B, despite knowing that those tallies or those numbers are not correct because the Form 34A contained a different number?
Bear in mind the greatest public good. Is your clarification going to promote the highest public good?
There is some ambiguity. We see no reason why this court that has cloaked in jurisdiction should not exercise that jurisdiction to clarify on that issue.
That this matter belongs to the Court of Appeal. The questions the Supreme Court is being invited to consider are questions which were considered by that court.
We are not here on an advisory opinion, which this court has jurisdiction on. We are not properly here on appeal unless it's appealed through the back door.
All right, so we will be speaking to Omuremi Mwangi shortly. He's going to be joining us from the Supreme Court just to paint for us a picture of this particular ruling that is set to be made on that application this morning. It's going to be happening probably from around 10 a.m. and we'll be covering for you here on KTI News.